Hello, welcome to EPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the various things. So let us begin with a new chapter known as demography. Demographic is very important because you know the 2011 census is very important. He talks about the population density. He talks about the sex ratio and other things. Let us begin with the basic EPSC. First question: in India, rural incomes are generally lower than the urban income. Which of the following reason about this? A large number of the farmers are illiterate and know little about the scientific agriculture. These statements are correct. Prices of the primary products are lower than those of manufactured products. These statements are also correct. Investment in agriculture has been lower than the compared to investment in industry. These statements are also correct. Asking all the correct statements 1, 2, 3 are correct. So answer is A. Second question: to obtain full benefits of demographic dividend, what should India do? It new to do the promoting skill development, yes. Introducing more social security is not recommended by 12th 5-year plan, and reducing infant mortality is not recommended, and the privatization of higher education is not recommended. So asking all the correct statements, only one is the correct statement. So answer is A. Next question: consider the following statement. The India Human Development Survey is a nationally representative multi-topic survey of the household across India. These statements are correct. India Human Development Survey is conducted by the NCIR. So these statements are also correct. Asking all the correct statement 1, 2 are correct. To answer is C. Next question about the fifth Herod the more model of the growth is the based on the concept of and their equality is based on the actual warranted and the natural growth rate. So asking all the correct statements. So only 3. So answer is C. Consider the following statements regarding the promotion of National Buck Development Corporation Limited by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. It was formed under the recommendation of such a committee. These statements are correct. It aims at facilitating and mobilizing financial resources for development of work properties. Yes, it will function for joint venture for the state and centers. So these statements are incorrect. National Minority Development and Finance Corporation have the 49% share in the National Buck Development Corporation Limited. So these statements are correct. Asking all the correct statements 1 to 4 are correct. So answer is D. Consider the following statement regarding the demographic transition. You know that demographic transition is very important for the population growth forecasting. So in the third stage is the period of declining growth rate. These statements are correct. In the second stage, demographic transition witness a population explosion. Yes. Asking all the correct statements 1 and 2 are correct. So answer is C. Consider the following stage of demographic transition associated with the economic development. First is the high birth rate and the high death rate. Okay. And second is the high birth rate and the low death rate. Yes. And the third is the low birth rate and the low death rate. Asking about the sequence. So 2, 3, 1. So answer is A. Next question: consider the following statement. The percentage of urban population in India according to the census 2011 is 31.16. These statements are correct. Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state in India according to the 2011 census. Yes. Asking all the correct statements 1, 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. Thank you for discussion.